Okay, so in this case we first have to understand how the two data sets from the two labs are to be merged. Here I have got two files from the two labs. From lab 1 I have got this data set. From lab 2 I have got this data set, and I need to merge them. Here the data sets are both small in size, so what I can do is that I can just take these and just paste under them. That is possible, yes. But that's not the right way to do it, because in general your data may be huge and copying and pasting is not a very smart operation, especially if you have many such pairs to merge. So what we shall do is to employ OR to do the merging. For that we will read both the data sets. So I will read them, F7, yes, I have read them. Let's quickly have a look at the two data sets, lab 1 and lab 2. Perfect. Okay, now what I want to do is that I want to put one under the other. For that the command is rbind, bind as rows. So I will create my data set, call it all lab, and that will be r bind, and then the two things. Well, I remember suddenly that before doing that I have to carry out one more thing, namely I have to append a column of the lab, so I will do that beforehand. So I will just convert my lab 1 to this. So lab 1 modified, call it lab 1m, and I will call it data.frame. I am creating a new data set. I will take my lab 1, with it I will append one other column, I will call it lab equal to 1. So let's see what I am getting here, lab 1m. So it is the same data set as my original one, but I have appended one column of all ones to it. Now I could have overwritten it directly. I could have written lab 1 equal to data.frame lab 1, etc. But then the problem is, in case you wrongly type something, you might find that your original data has been overwritten by something garbled. That's why it is a good idea to use a new name, lab 1m. Well, you carry out the same thing for lab 2. So it is 2, and I call it 2. So this is your lab 2. Oops, sorry, I wanted to show you lab 2m. This is lab 2m. Now I take lab 1m and lab 2m and put them one under the other. So I will use the row bind idea, rbind. All lab equal to rbind lab 1m lab 2m. Let's see if we have got what I wanted. All lab, yes, I have got 11 cases, that is 5 plus 6, and the headings are as they should be, weight, length, lab, and all the things in proper order.